Hi everyone, this is Kang with a different set of gadgets and gizmos brought to you by Corsair. We will be discussing more and more Corsair products as we move along, and I'll be giving you insights about what to expect on their product lineup along with a short overview of what it has to offer. So right now, we have here this Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT keyboard, and what are we waiting for? Let's go and unbox this. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, the first thing that you'll see here inside the box is the keyboard itself. Let's try to remove everything inside the box first before we discuss this Corsair K95 Platinum XT. So underneath the keyboard is this black box with the extra keycaps and key puller, and of course the warranty guide and the manual. Underneath is the first dress. So let's clean the table first and let's move on with the keyboard. Ta-da! Okay, so we have here the Corsair 95 Platinum XT, and as you can see, it has a full-size design with a detachable padded wrist rest or palm rest, whatever you call it, which is quite an upgrade from the traditional rubbery soft touch plastic that comes in this bundle. This can be connected via long plastic clips underneath the keyboard. Yeah, you saw it. You saw it click, right? The build quality is great. Here at the top, it is made out of an aluminum plate. And here at the bottom, we have a solid plastic base. We have some non-slip rubber feet here at the bottom, and some cable management area. So this whole keyboard has a rigid and durable feel. And if you look closer, you will see the double shot keycaps made out of two separate layers of plastic, a translucent white underneath, allowing the RGB light to shine through, and black all over the top. So this double shot keycaps helps resist wear and tear over prolonged use. And another addition to this recently released Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT is the integration of the Elgato Stream Deck system support for the 6 macro keys on the left side. There are dedicated media controls and a nice metal volume wheel sitting above the number pad. While on the right, you can see the lighting controls, profile, and Windows lock key. Also included in the package that you saw earlier, some textured WASD and WEDF keycaps to assist fingers and easily find or track their plays, either playing FPS or MOBA titles. It comes with a standard and gaming keycaps for your preference. And aside from that, it has a permanently attached braided cable with an inclusion of a USB 2.0 pass-through port at the rear end near the center mounted cable. So Corsair decided to stick with Cherry MX switches, giving three options. That's Cherry MX Speed, Brown, and Blue. So we currently have here Speed. Okay, so last but not the least, you can always control your lighting via Corsair IQ software and can be synced with other Corsair or IQ compatible device. Well, that's it for the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is Kang, and I hope to see you on my next. Bye-bye!